Didn't quite go that way, C9.
Hey, listen, it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. You know what I mean? So
Hey,
let's get
good
that
job,
started.
Dan.
Come on, bro. What is this? Hey, who did that?
We have to show us, guys.
Who did that, bro? This is unnecessary. Y'all know
Oh, they
that.
lost to C9.
This is very unnecessary.
Hey, I almost, hey, lucky. Hey, yo, why is this bitch baiting that hard? I should have won that one before. What's going on here?
Maybe next year, bro.
I like his sense of humor.
Next stage.
Yeah, maybe next stage.
Maybe next stage.
Yeah, maybe.
Obviously, no, you guys don't want to dwell on this, right? But we're kind of paid to talk about this next match. Talk about the C9 team.
Oh, hype and
Hey, I'm
shit.
not gonna lie. Listen, we were terrible. I can't lie. Like that's just the facts, as you can see. You know what I mean? We were terrible. So look, they deserve. If they didn't win, God help them.
So, okay, going forward to this game, we're gonna quickly dive in and get some thoughts from the players. We'll talk about this more after this. But first, let's hear from Vic, who had an incredible match last week. What's he got to say?
Let's see what Vic's got to say. Can I get some sound?
Vic, you are having some insane standout moments on a team, some already pretty insane fraggers. What is the secret to your success?
I have two answers. One is the C9 staff, coaching, and managers. They do a great job. They provide everything I need to perform at my best. The second reason is because Mata taught me everything I know.
Best of luck today.
You got like that?
Mata taught him everything he knows.
Yeah,
How
that's a
trained is
good.
this guy, by the
So
way?
you guys lost to Mod. Wait, you got to play against NRG last match. It's probably going to be like playoff.
Oh, we get to play energy.
Yeah.
You didn't even know.
That's how much I care.
We're in scrims, and this guy says, wait, we have a match tomorrow? Okay.
What I'm saying is, if Mata taught everything Vic knows,
Yeah.
and Vic destroyed you guys,
Come on.
Did Mata teach you guys everything you know now?
I think Vic told me everything I know. I think Vic told me everything I know.
His stat line was pretty ridiculous. Obviously, Vic had most of the kills and assists. We can bring that up and remind the guys.
I mean, I would hope so. They're playing against the bots.
What is this?
Are we serious?
Where did I sit down at?
Wait.
We're getting rage baited.
What is this?
What is this?
Yeah, is this
Yeah,
about us or
nice
is it about
shot, bro.
C9?
Yeah, you're insane, bro.
I will
Nice
be honest
shot.
though, he had his breakout game against you guys. Like this was the best game he's had.
Yeah, like in the
Keep it
last
going.
year.
Keep it
Hey,
going.
wait, listen. Look, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I have
This
nothing.
pissed me off.
I have nothing against the C9 guys. Truthfully, I don't. I just wish he did this when I was playing with him. You know what I mean? Like, I wish he was. I mean, but listen, we weren't playing. I mean, it was different. You know what I mean? It was all my fault. Yeah.
5.8 KDA against
It's not your
the
fault,
top.
everything.
What
Dan, you're doing a good job,
so
Dan.
much success?
All right, I'll tell you. I'll tell you what happened. So basically,
Oh.
after the first week, we lost all mental composure. We fully panicked.
I don't even want to focus on you guys. What does Vic do as?
Okay. So first of all, main thing. He's from New Jersey, so that's I'm from New Jersey, so that's a
Oh.
big thing. Mata's a big deal. As you see, he acknowledges that. And I would say 3. He's just in the presence of Imi, who has a bald head, and that's just really strong. You know what I mean? As you see, when Max was at the top of the game, he had a bald head.
Sure, yeah, we
He
got
had
somebody else with a bald head in the back
Yeah,
over there.
that's true.
Bro.
That guy?
He's also the goat at what he does. So.
Like the guy, who's that? Who's that?
You.
Sonic show.
Hey, listen,
Look, we're gonna
we need a couple bald heads. You know what I mean?
Bro, who's volunteering? You want to go back to that? No, okay.
If you do it, I'll do it though.
Alright,
Listen, hey,
We're
listen.
already talking about doing it, bro. Don't bait people into this, man.
They-
The only person I'll do with this game.
Oh, would you?
All right, then we'll all do it.
I think that's it. I'll do
I
it.
won't be able to tell you two apart anymore.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if you both go bald, no one knows who
We've never aligned in haircuts. I always said, yo, get a fade already, bro. Anyway.
So can we come back to C9 more highlights? Let's kick that back again.
Dan, you're funny, Dan.
The entry. Woo! What the fuck? Yo, Max, hello? What is my team doing? Wait,
How are they so fast to like?
I fried him. Wait.
The guy in the back was his finger was on the button.
They're so fast. It's like Luke all day. Keep destroying Lev. Just
Look
keep
at this.
doing this.
Yeah, dynamic duo. Yeah,
I kill him here. I kill him. Wait.
Yeah, we're up to heaven's
Where's
door.
my kill?
Yeah, we're backside beads getting slammed.
But be honest, what do you think of Zeppa's like performance?
Listen, I always.
he was fine.
No. Listen. Hey, Eric's nice, bro. I always thought Eric's a good player. You know what I mean? Look, I told you I would have done for the best for them, and my wishes are working. They're doing great right now, so I just hope they keep it up. Let's just hopefully, they finish strong. Only thing I really didn't like though is that, bro, you can't be talking smack when you win after you win the game. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can't be doing that. Listen, we were being all cool. I know you guys snaked me and all those things, right? I was being all cool with you guys and stuff like that. I still keep it cool. I don't believe in revenge. You know what I mean? I'm a man of God, but let's not do the smack talk after we win. You know what I mean? So
They hit the better IGL.
better. I wasn't even gelling. I wasn't even gelling.
Yeah, that was rough. It is what it is.
Hey,
There's a subtweet and stuff.
hey, no, we hey,
called him out, man.
hey, listen. We can work it out. You know what I mean? We can see it. How about we have? You know, we can see it in game and out of game. I guarantee we won't work it. We'll have it twice. We'll see.
Yeah,
It
buddy.
doesn't matter because there's a guy in my own org tweeting our mistakes.
Yeah, but actually, we have a guy on our own. We're so bad.
What was that?
We're so bad that our own org is flaming us. On Twitter, made a YouTube video. They said green light.
Honestly, that's also the whole thing strategy, so it's not just you guys. And,
No,
Cloud9 are going to have to go up against a very strong MIBR, who fell to G2 at a very close match in week number 2. Okay,
Finally.
MIBR bring Verno into the team, guys. What's your take on this? See him coming to this team, they're looking pretty nice. These young.
Hey, Verno's the GOAT. Honestly, the one thing I really like about Verno is that his communication is so good. Not gonna lie, I really like his communication, his mid-rounding, and I think, I think all those things are really good.
Is he like as chill like in games? Because in real life he's like mega nonchalant guy. Like he's
No, he's a vibe.
What's up, Chica?
Of this MIBR.
Aww. Here's another cat.
I've never seen him say a word, so I don't know.
Let's see.
Hey, look, he's smiling, you know what I mean? When have you seen that guy smile? I've never seen that guy smile. Not when he was on Lev last year with you.
smiling with me?
That's you, only you. Anyways,
I didn't say it.
Verno's the GOAT. C9's the GOAT. Everyone's the GOAT. Zeb was the GOAT. And yeah.
Everyone's GOAT.
But seriously, MIBR, this is one thing I'll say about MIBR, truthfully. I think they, in the short amount of time they have together as 5, the way they play together is how fast their synergy is really good.
Do you think that this is like a honeymoon phase though that they're going through? Like, be honest. Do you think they can maintain?
That happens a lot, but I feel like that's only more of like an American culture, I would say. Because when I played in T1, honeymoon is not a thing in like Eastern culture or anything like that.
honeymoon happening?
Huh? We didn't have one. That's how I know we're gonna be good.
Oh, yeah, okay.
That's how I know we're gonna be good. You know? Because we came out, we started off trash. We started off garbage, pure trash.
We're playing scrims, we're like, we're gonna fry, we're just getting dominated. We're like, what happened?
So listen, you guys got the opportunity to play against both these teams.
Yeah.
Who do you guys think is gonna come out strong today?
Okay, now there's a lot of factors to play in this, right? You have C9 regular season, insane. They're insane in the regular
Wait, so what
season,
about the playoffs?
right? I mean, hey, listen, I'm just that.
We're talking about right now. We're talking about
Right now, they're gonna win because if
C9?
they should go 5-0 this regular season. Whoever they play, they will beat. Doesn't matter if Jesus Christ came back to walk down on water, they will win this game.
What's wrong with this kid?
Yeah.
Listen, they are not losing. They are not losing.
I think it might be R.
If Jesus Christ comes down, walk on water, I love
These
it.
young rookies on this team, right? They got like Cortesia as well. Zen.
They usually bad.
I'm gonna lie, they don't even play like rookies.
No, they don't.
These guys are holding heaven raps late, and like, how do they even know to do
No,
that?
they play really
They're
good.
hell.
They're actually insane, genuinely.
They're
really good players.
Yeah, they're all, I mean, honestly, all 10 players in the server I think are really good. Truthfully.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a good. Huh?
I remember saying that yesterday in scrum. There was one particular memory. Last scrum yesterday.
Oh, who? Who does
You want me to say it?
Yes, no.
Bitch.
Oh yeah. I mean, yeah.
What?
I mean, bro. Wait, hold on. Bro, this guy doesn't even. This guy's ascended 2 in ranked and doesn't even. And he's beating me. That's how bad we are.
Instigated me. The guy like warming up like
I'm
that.
not gonna lie, bro. I see that guy play. That's not an impressive player to me, bro.
All right, fair enough. Listen, now,
But hey, his IGL is clearly good.
Yeah.
His IGL is good. Listen, he out IGL'd me. You know what I mean? So hey, he's insane.
or at least that was the narrative. Another IGL that we're going to talk about. Arzine had this to say to Elizabeth ahead of them.
Don't get me
Artisan.
started on
So
Artzine.
what about it, bro?
Now, Artazine, you put up a strong fight against G2 last week. This week we'll be facing Cloud9, who are looking a lot stronger than the last time you faced them during kickoff. Are you anxious today at all?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a pretty good game. I think Cloud9 is a good team, but we prepared ourselves to this match, so best of luck for them.
Simple, best of luck today too.
I mean, honestly, really respectful guy, especially
So
when he's
annoying.
shooting you in the face with a judge. You know,
So
Artex.
So annoying. So annoying.
But it's been impressive though because he was playing duelist on this roster. Now he's IGLing. It's something that I tried to do. I completely failed miserably at. I mean, it's very difficult.
And I would
to
say
do.
also
And he stepped up to the plate.
I would say also in the current meta is definitely like the game switched so much. Like the game has been very similar. Like the basic core fundamentals have been the same for like 3-4 years. But
Yeah.
this year everything has swapped. I feel like with the new tail breach and everything. You know what I mean? The whole game has evolved. Everyone's evolved. Mechanics have evolved. So I think it's very impressive. This guy is fearless, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Listen, I know they got Cortesia, who's a devout Christian. This guy plays like he's Jesus because he's untouchable. This guy is not stopping the W. The W is in there and it's not, and he's going in. He's IGLing. He's first entry, and this is crazy. I can't lie. I respect it.
He's funny. He's
See, I
funny.
had an off day against G2, but you know he did mention like he was pretty unwell at the time, right?
Yeah,
But we did have like Valorant coming yesterday and ranked his like top 5 IGLs. He didn't put you guys because he didn't know who it was, but that's another story. But he
I wouldn't put us either. I would have put us in the top 12. We'd be 13th.
I'm talking, Dan.
Never mind. Yeah. Again, but
Stop
it wasn't-
talking, dog!
He was a bit
Oh, wait.
unwell. He tweets
I'm
it out.
IBR.
Individually speaking, I wasn't in great health to play it. I'll sort of do my best, but again. Having a guy, what is this second year, right, in VCGs, right? Stepping him out, up to do the calling, with like some, veterans on your team. How does it feel like, does it ever feel weird if you ever IGL on a team, Rossi, where you've got like, these pretty storied players that have been around for a while? Does it ever intimidate, like, oh, I'm going to boss these guys around?
I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not gonna
For
lie.
Me, no. Truthfully, for me, no. I really don't care. It's just about if you're good, you're good, and if you're not good, you're not good. You know what I mean? I haven't dealt with the best player in the world, Aspaz, so maybe that'd be a little different story. But hey, kudos to him. He looks like he's got it. You know what I mean? He got a good head on his shoulders. He's a smart guy. I talked to him a little bit. He's a smart guy. He's a good leader, as you can see. So, listen, regardless, the main issue that I have with him, honestly, is can we talk about his Twitter photo with him trying to be all stylish, like the phone, acting like that? Like, bro, I didn't know you were trying to be a pretty boy like that. You know what I mean? I didn't want my IGL to take backwards photos.
Hey,
thing.
Look at you, man. You got some swag now. When you were on my team, bro, you were.
Yeah, I was looking like a dumpling.
You can tell for a fact. Hey, no matter how things are going, I'm having fun, bro. You can tell that for a fact.
Yeah, I mean, you're like mega animated, right? So the comms like a lot heavier now. Like
This guy never stops talking.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can tell. We can tell. Somebody kick it. Yo, get out of here, bro.
He plays the game for us.
Hey, it's not the first time Andre kicked me from something, bro.
Actually perfect, bro. Yeah, just go, bro. Yeah.
Dan can talk.
Yeah, I cut him straight up. I cut him. Oh, yeah. Man.
At least you're honest.
Hey, my man took it like a champ.
Take a look at Champ.
He's like, let me go, baby, babe. I'm playing with the better version of you.
Oh, there's C9, yeah, behind him.
Now, let's talk about the rookies here. MIBR, right? Katizia and Shenam as well. First year on stage. Aspas, like the story is that Aspas kind of handpicks these guys, and last year, like everyone is saying, there's no depth in the Brazilian region. Like they've got no opportunity to scrim against these teams in America. Everyone's like, where is the next wave of players going to come from in Brazil? Looks like we found him. I feel like there's a lot more there as well after seeing like Luxo and like what we saw at Ascension. These guys, cracks, man. And like you said, they've already put that in there, like playing like vets.
Oh, wow, look at those mustache.
Yep. They're playing nicely, I can't lie.
Hey, I mean,
honestly,
listen,
they play like they have a lot of experience, and I respect it, because once you're on the stage, like in scrims it's one thing, but playing like you're experienced instantly on the stage is impressive, I can't lie.
And also, I'm pretty sure they did a gold
He's in Senam.
Cortizia, I'm pretty sure he was a smoke player before in tier 2.
Tizia.
So I'm also surprised he's doing very good on the Sentinel.
Oh, that's true. That is true. He was a smoke player, I remember.
So you got to play with Aspas. Are you surprised that he's kind of like in the backpack now a little bit, like in some of these scenarios? Because when everyone thinks of Aspas on a team, it's like
I'm gonna pull this on my YouTube.
like, it's just him 1v5ing in some of these games.
Even the presence of two of his photos.
No, but seriously, that's the stigma behind Aspas, is that he's the hard carry. And now when we're seeing these rookies step up, it's like it's crazy.
Truthfully, I would say real fast. Truthfully, I think the team is really well rounded. I just think the duels that he's picking right now are super off meta. He's still trying to play Jet and like Raze and some of these agents. Like he's getting punished. It's so easy to play against a Jet right now because there's so much detail. He's gonna get stuffed every time. You know what I mean? So I would like to see him switch up his agent pool, and I think he's still. I mean, regardless, he's still gonna fry whatever agent he plays. But I think he'll play even better if he switches his duels pool.
Yo, Zeppa. Good luck today, bro. Sorry.
Bro's just trying to walk through the doorway, bro. Here you are. C9 obviously getting ready to
Yeah.
Stand, you can see where things are at. This is going to be
I think C9 next.
hoisted themselves up the bottom of Team Omega.
And,
wait, we have a chance to make
might be
playoffs?
all.
Yes, you're still in with the chart.
I thought it was all.
We're talking about the energy match.
I thought it was all over.
Who are you playing next week?
No idea.
G2.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Thoughts?
Don't tell him.
Any thoughts? Thoughts? No.
What?
Revert to thoughts.
Don't really care.
That's a good way
Hey,
to put
you know what I
it.
mean? Like, hey, whatever God happens, fate is obviously. I told you, I'm mad at God. The fate is already decided. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna do our best to improve and keep improving and give us our best chance against G2. So yeah, that's really what it is. You know, they're a strong team. Obviously, every team here is a strong team. If you're in tier 1, you're a strong team. So everyone's good. Regardless of what I say, it's all jokes. But everyone's a really good team. So we're gonna be doing our best. And yeah, let's hope for the best. You know what I mean? I put my faith in God, and I know he's going to lead me to great things as he already has.
Let's have a look at
Amen.
predictions and see who didn't pick Leviathan to win that first game.
Yeah, let's see that.
Here we go. There's our talent
Talent
predictions.
predictions.
Oh,
I'm surprised. Wait, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
I'm not gonna lie.
Sideshow.
Are you looking at this guy right here? Look at.
No, that's not
I'm
me.
surprised. Wait, Sasha's here? I'm surprised. I'm surprised.
Sancho, get in the shot, man.
Yo, I'm surprised this dude picks us because this guy never says anything nice about me.
What's the allegation?
Wait. What's the allegations?
I got receipts. I got receipts. Hey, I got receipts. Look, hey, listen. I know it's nothing personal, but I'm like, damn, bro. I was like, I'm not that bad. This guy's talking to me like I'm a bum. I'm like, bro, I was in Pacific last year flying, went to Shanghai, fried, and this guy's talking to me like I'm some tier 2 player.
He's got that recency bias, man.
Oh, he's funny. That's what I love about Dan.
Damn, this guy even watching the games?
Card9's Mitch and Oxy can read the competition. Depends who you ask, actually. But
At least wait, who's that? Wait, what? That Wyatt? I think his name's Wyatt. Is that Wyatt right there?
Give me the mic. Give me the mic. Give me the mic.
This disrespect, do not get me started, young man, bro. This disrespect has gone way too far. brothers throwing out all sorts of
Truthfully, I'm sorry for missaying your name. It ain't personal, but so anyways, not at least when he says anything about it, like at least you don't pretend to know stuff. You know what I mean? Like you kind of like.
Are you talking about Josh? Still?
No, for you. So at least when
He took the mic.
the only thing he goes, guys, what do you think? You know what I mean? He learns from other people. You know what I mean? So I respect you. I respect you for not claiming to know everything.
I can't wait for him to cast your next game, buddy.
oh, dude.
You're done for.
You're done.
Back here, bro. It's a war zone back here.
You're finished.
Yeah, he's too much.
He's too much. But that's what makes him so fun.